So hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, how to download Microsoft Office 2021 and install in laptop and PC and old version and new version. So but how? So full watch this my video. So first of all, download Microsoft Office 365. So how download? So go and description and download the file. So that's my file, 2.3 GB. Yeah, maximum I think no idea, but I have also downloaded. So now first of all extract the files and extract file, and here is this you have two option and click any one. So I click extract files and okay, not change other settings and password 123. So now start. So now friends, extract files and open files and open first files and wait, check a network of the networks need of the networks and of defender window defender in your PCs and laptop. So now click a first files and set the files clicked and upper activator and office, though not for don't for use this, but I checked which many problems. So I clicked setup files and you click first of all don't click on other files, so only for click setup files after open the file. So now wait for watching and I fast forward videos and after install and you watching the 65 office applications. So now Microsoft Office 2021 has downloaded in my PCs, and first of check Microsoft Words and open and see, watch you and check and your PC, and after install the my I also you watch my videos and sing. Wait for open because my PC is low end PC. I have old version processor. So you watch Office 2021. So I open a notepad because my Excel not opening, it's new few problems. So you watch and see, this is my download. So friend, this in this video is completely. So friend, how it's video, please comment section in below. So now meet for other videos and hit and like buttons and subscribe button and click the bell icon button and you notification first give up my videos. So friend, next videos coming soon, so wait for my new video.